My name is Obure. I'm a mentor at Beyond Colors and Girl Confidence. This year, as I celebrate International Women's Day, I choose to challenge the world of sports, and specifically swimming, of course. As the founder of Obure Masters Africa, I choose to challenge sports and women participating in sports, saying that we can do it, we can reach the competitive level even after baby comes. As a mother, I'm still swimming, and I challenge this sector and challenge other women also to take part in sports. It's good for the body, you remain fit. It's good for the mind, it's healthy. Yeah, and it's a life skill. Swimming, mates like me, let's challenge this sport. Women like me, let's keep it up in the sports industry. Asante, that means thank you.